Have you ever wondered how diverse and fascinating the world of sharks really is? Indeed, with over 500 species across the globe, each one unique in its own right, sharks paint a picture of diversity like no other marine life. From the colossal whale sharks gracefully cruising in the open seas to the tiny dwarf lantern sharks lurking in the deep abyss, the variety is truly staggering. And that's not all. Sharks have evolved over millions of years, developing remarkable traits and characteristics that set them apart in the animal kingdom. In this journey, we'll delve into the captivating world of these elegant predators, exploring their intriguing traits and marveling at their hunting prowess. So buckle up for an exciting exploration that will change the way you perceive these magnificent creatures. Are you ready to explore the ocean's most feared and misunderstood predators? You might be surprised to know that not all sharks are the menacing human-hunting predators they're often portrayed as. In fact, the world of sharks is a vast and diverse one, teeming with a multitude of species, each with its unique attributes and adaptations. Spanning from the minuscule to the gargantuan, the diversity of sharks in terms of their size alone is staggering. Have you heard of the dwarf lantern shark? This tiny creature, often no larger than a human hand, is the smallest known shark species. It dwells in the deep waters off the coasts of Colombia and Venezuela, emitting a ghostly light to attract unsuspecting prey. Contrast this with the whale shark, the titan of the shark family. As the biggest fish in the sea, it can reach lengths of up to 40 feet, nearly the size of a school bus. But despite its formidable size, the whale shark is a gentle giant, feeding mainly on plankton and small fish. Sharks are not just diverse in size, but they also demonstrate an impressive range of habitats. From the warm, shallow coastal waters where the sandbar shark resides, to the frigid depths of the Arctic Ocean, home to the Greenland shark, these creatures have adapted to thrive in all corners of the world's oceans. Some, like the bull shark, have even evolved to survive in both salt and freshwater environments, navigating up rivers and into freshwater lakes with surprising ease. And let's not forget those species that dwell in the deep sea, like the goblin shark, an elusive creature that lurks in the darkness of the ocean depths, using its long, protruding snout to sense the electric fields of its prey. Each of these species, from the smallest to the largest, from the coastal dweller to the deep-sea explorer, is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of sharks. They've existed for over 400 million years, surviving multiple mass extinctions and continuing to diversify and adapt to their ever-changing environments. Isn't it amazing how diverse and adaptable sharks are? Now let's delve into some of the most unique and interesting traits that sharks possess. Sharks are a remarkable group of species, teeming with diversity and extraordinary characteristics that set them apart in the animal kingdom. Among these, certain traits stand out, making some shark species truly one of a kind. Take the hammerhead shark, for instance. This peculiar creature sports an unusually shaped head, wide and flat, resembling the tool it's named after. But this isn't just for aesthetics. This unique adaptation provides the hammerhead shark with a full 360-degree view. Their eyes, placed on the extreme ends of their hammer, allow them to scan a wide area for prey, giving them an unparalleled advantage in the deep sea. Moving on to another curious shark species, the goblin shark. This deep-sea dweller possesses a trait that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. The goblin shark has the uncanny ability to extend its jaw to a remarkable extent, a mechanism known as slingshot feeding. When potential prey is spotted, the goblin shark can project its jaw forward faster than the blink of an eye, snaring its meal before it even gets a chance to react. But the list doesn't end here. There's the saw shark, with a snout shaped like a chainsaw, used to disorient its prey. Or the Greenland shark, one of the longest living vertebrates on Earth, with a lifespan that can reach up to 400 years. Every shark species has something unique to offer, whether it's a physical trait, a hunting strategy, or a remarkable lifespan. These traits not only make them captivating subjects of study, but also underline their importance in the ecosystem they inhabit. These traits show just how fascinating and diverse the world of sharks truly is. And as we continue to explore the vast ocean depths, we can only expect to uncover more of these incredible adaptations that sharks have evolved over millions of years. What makes sharks such effective hunters in the vast expanse of the ocean? That's a question that has intrigued scientists and explorers for quite some time. Let's dive deep and explore the world of these fascinating creatures. Sharks are formidable predators with an arsenal of adaptations that make them the ultimate hunters. Chief among these are their keen senses. Sharks have an acute sense of smell, allowing them to detect prey from miles away. Imagine being able to sniff out your dinner from such a distance. But that's not all. Sharks also possess what's known as a lateral line system, a series of fluid-filled canals running along their bodies. This remarkable system allows them to detect vibrations and movements in the water, making it nearly impossible for prey to slip by unnoticed. Now let's talk about speed. Some species of sharks, like the shortfin mako, are known to reach incredible speeds. These swift swimmers can cut through the water at a remarkable 60 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Then, there are their powerful jaws. Sharks have rows upon rows of razor-sharp teeth that can easily tear through flesh and bone. Some species, like the great white, have a bite force of nearly 2 tons. That's the weight of a small car. Lastly, let's not forget about their diverse hunting strategies. Some sharks, like the tiger shark, are ambush predators, lying in wait for their prey. Others, like the hammerhead, employ cooperative hunting strategies, working together in packs to corral and capture their prey. Whether it's their keen senses, their speed, their powerful jaws, or their varied hunting strategies, sharks have evolved over millions of years to become some of the most effective hunters in the ocean. They're not just survivors, they're thrivers, commanding respect and awe in equal measure. It's clear that sharks are some of the ocean's most effective hunters. And with that, we've only just scratched the surface of the incredible world of sharks. Stay tuned as we delve further into the misunderstood relationship we share with these magnificent creatures. But what about sharks and humans? Are we really on their menu? Let's dive into this, shall we? If you've ever found yourself questioning whether you're a shark's preferred meal, you can rest easy. Contrary to popular belief and Hollywood thrillers, humans are not a part of the shark's natural diet. Yes, sharks are carnivorous and have an impressive menu ranging from tiny plankton to colossal whales. But you, my friend, don't make the cut. So why do shark attacks on humans occur? Well, most of these incidents are cases of mistaken identity. Sharks, primarily relying on their sense of smell and electromagnetic fields to hunt, can sometimes confuse a human for a seal or other prey. A splash from a surfboard or a shiny object can trigger a shark's curiosity, leading to an investigatory bite. However, once they realize their error, they typically release their grip and move on. Let's move from the misunderstood to the undeniable. The crucial role sharks play in our ecosystems. Sharks are apex predators, meaning they sit at the very top of the food chain. By preying on weak and sick animals, they help maintain the balance and health of marine life. They also indirectly contribute to carbon storage by keeping the population of herbivores in check, which allows for the growth of seagrass and algae that absorb carbon dioxide. However, the sad reality is that these magnificent creatures are more at risk from us than we are from them. Overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction are pushing many shark species towards the brink of extinction. Their decline could have devastating effects on the ocean's ecosystems, and by extension, on human life. It's time we replace fear with respect and understanding, for these incredible creatures are more at risk from humans than we are from them. Sharks are not the villains we've made them out to be. They are essential members of our planet's life support system, and they deserve our protection and appreciation. So, what have we learned about sharks today? We've delved into the depths of the ocean to uncover the vast diversity of sharks, from the smallest dwarf lantern shark to the mammoth whale shark. We've explored their unique traits, like the hammerhead's panoramic vision and the thresher shark's whip-like tail. These adaptations are not just for show, but form an integral part of their survival toolkit, making them some of the most effective hunters in the animal kingdom. We've also tried to shed light on the misunderstood relationship between sharks and humans. While they are often painted as fearsome predators, it's important to remember that they play a vital role in maintaining the health of our oceans. Their decline could have serious ripple effects on marine ecosystems. Next time you think of sharks, remember, they are not just predators,